Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, Director Projects NHPC, visited the Uri 1 Stage 2 Hydroelectric HE project on June 4, 2026 to assess the progress of ongoing construction activities and review key project components. During his site visit, the director inspected critical work fronts including the powerhouse area, Adit 2 and the Barat site where major construction activities are currently underway. Indraprasth Gas Limited has announced a leadership change at the top management level with the appointment of Shri Kumar Shankar, DIN 09533240, as the new managing director of the company effective June 5, 2026. The appointment has been made following nomination by the promoter company, GAIL India Limited. NLC Tamil Nadu Power Limited announced a CSR initiative aimed at preserving India's cultural and historical heritage through financial support for the construction of a Gandhi Museum in Tamil Nadu. As part of its CSR commitment for FY 2026-27, NTPL has extended financial assistance of 2.97 crore rupees for the development of the NTPL Gandhi Museum at the Gandhigram Rural Institute in Gandhigram, Dindigul district. India's economy has delivered another impressive performance, achieving 7.7% GDP growth for the full financial year 2025-26, supported by a robust 7.8% growth in the fourth quarter Q4. These strong numbers reflect the inherent resilience of the Indian economy, the impact of continued reforms, and the collective contribution of 140 crore citizens. Indian Oil's Refineries Division marked World Environment Day 2026 by highlighting the successful operation of a first-of-its-kind green sewage treatment plant, STP, at Haldia Refinery. A project the company says could become a model for wider adoption across its refinery network. AAI has entered into strategic partnerships with Novo Cabs and WTI Cabs to strengthen last-mile connectivity for air passengers and improve the overall airport travel experience across the country. The MOUs were exchanged in the presence of Nivedita Dubey, member HR, AAI, along with senior officials from AAI and the participating cab aggregators. Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders Limited will construct 6 next-generation stealth submarines under the landmark 70,000 crore rupees Project 75I for the Indian Navy. This major project will significantly enhance India's underwater warfare capabilities and maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. RailTel Corporation of India Limited has secured a new government contract worth 41.32 crore rupees from the Uttar Pradesh Police Recruitment and Promotion Board, according to an exchange filing dated June 5, 2026. Under the work order, RailTel will provide security-related ancillary services during recruitment examinations conducted by the Uttar Pradesh Police Recruitment and Promotion Board. Hindustan Zinc Limited, the world's largest integrated zinc producer, has announced a major environmental initiative by signing a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with the Energy and Resources Institute to develop a 250-hectare ecological restoration project in Rajasthan. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has issued a notice inviting tender for the design, engineering, supply, construction, erection, testing, commissioning, and maintenance of a 70-megawatt ISTS connected ground-mounted solar PV power project paired with a 25-megawatt/50 megawatt-hours battery energy storage system (BESS) in Andhra Pradesh.